Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and then act. First, open Messenger and go straight to the chat with encrypted, secret conversation messages. This is essential because secret conversations live separately. Once done, tap the person's name at top, then choose Secret Conversation Settings so you can manage or delete threads securely. Make sure battery and network are stable. If interrupted, deletion may not fully sync across devices, so check immediately after you proceed. Now you'll remove messages inside the encrypted chat. Long press a message to reveal delete. Choose delete for you to remove locally or remove for everyone if the option appears. Remember, remove for everyone may not work once recipients have older app versions. Once done with individual items, use conversation settings to clear all messages. Tap More, then delete conversation to remove the thread from your device. This both tidies your history and prevents future access. Finish by deleting the entire secret conversation thread and confirming removal. Go to your chats list, swipe the conversation, or open settings and delete conversation. This removes the thread from your device. Then disable any secret conversation backups in Messenger settings and sign out of sessions on other devices to prevent reappearance. If messages persist, force quit and reinstall the app, sign back in, and verify. That troubleshooting step resolves sync issues and ensures encrypted messages stay removed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.